Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm back over at my parents' house. Today I'm going to be installing a JLT oil separator. Don't mind the inflatable hot tub thing. My dad's a fucking weirdo. But here's the oil separator. It's a JLT, like I said. JLT oil separator. This only takes like probably 5 minutes to install. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the story of why I actually have this, because I didn't pay for this. So basically what happened, I ordered two things from American Muscle. I ordered lug nuts and a new rear deck lid, the just gloss smooth deck lid. Well, I got a package in the mail while I was at work, and my girlfriend told me, hey, you have a package, and I asked her to open it and send me a picture. Well, she sent me a picture of it, and it was this oil separator, and I was like, what is that? I didn't know what it was. And she's like, it says JLT oil separator. So I was like, I didn't order an oil separator. So I went to my email, and sure enough, it said the lug nuts were delivered. So they delivered this oil separator instead of the lug nuts. Well, I did some research. I looked this part up on their website, and this part is $130, and I paid $20 for it basically, because I just bought lug nuts. They were 20 bucks. So I basically paid $20 for a $130 part. Now, I went to send it back at first, but then I thought about it, and I was like, this $130 part I got for 20 bucks. I might as well just install it. So basically, I'm gonna do that, but I wondered, you know, like what it actually does. So it does what the name implies. It separates the oil from your intake or something like that. It basically keeps your engine running longer, because oil tends to, you know, get in the intake over time or something like that. It goes where it shouldn't go basically, and this keeps that from happening. So I'm gonna pop the hood on the car, and I'll show you guys where it goes, and then I'll install it. This is gonna be a really short video. I might show you what I've been working on as well. This is where it's gonna go, right here where this hose is. I believe this side, well, hang on, I'm not really sure. It goes like that, I know that, but I believe this turns. Does it? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe this, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and I'm gonna figure this shit out. Don't worry. I'm a mechanic. I'm not a mechanic, but you can see it's in. It's not going anywhere. It's snapped in. Now I just gotta put the engine cover back on. And before you say anything, I know it's dirty. I don't really make it a habit of trying to clean the engine. It's not a show car yet, and whenever it does eventually become one, if it does, then I will clean the engine. But looks very clean. But anyways, it looks very clean. It's probably the only clean thing in the engine bay besides the intake, because it's still fairly new. But here it is right here. It's a nice little oil separator. It's gonna keep my shit clean, and it's gonna keep oil out of my shit. So yeah. So I got it on. I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys what I've been working on the past few days, or I guess this past week. So I'm sure everybody's noticed the flares are off the car. Well, it's because I'm in the process of painting them, and here they are. So as you can see, I have them painted. I don't know if they are completely matched with the car. Obviously there's no clear coat on them, it's just paint, because last night I took them out and it looked like they were still too light. So I'm probably gonna have to put more paint on them to make them darker, because my paint this is a transparent paint, so the more you put on, the darker it gets. I'm gonna see if it matches up with the car. I really hope it does, because if I do have to put more paint on it, I'm gonna have to go buy some more, because I don't actually have enough to do all 4 of them again. So I'm gonna go see if it matches up real quick. As you can see, it's still too light. Like it's not dark enough. So I am gonna have to put more coats on, but that means I'm also gonna have to go buy some more paint. Luckily, I work where we sell the paint, so I get a very, very good discount on it, because this shit is expensive. Basically, I used a pint and a half. A pint of this paint, regular price, without my discount, is around 80 bucks. So it's pretty expensive shit. But I'm gonna have to go buy some more. I'll probably do it tomorrow, and then I will hopefully have these finished, because I'm also gonna buy some clear coat. I still have to buy clear coat for them. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. For those of you who have been wondering what I've been doing, that's what I've been doing. Hopefully I will have these done by Sunday. I'm hoping to have them done by Sunday. If I can have them done by Sunday, then I will be very, very happy, because that means I can have them back on the car and the car will look good again. But yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a short one, so I'll see you guys in the next video.